UCAM, the most trusted brand for rotary indexing solution, invites you to IMTEX 2019. Presenting our premium products: CNC Rotary Table, Rotary Production System, Deep Tilting Rotary Table, Solution for Machine Tool Builder, High-Speed Torque Motor Rotary Table. Launching at IMTEX. High Speed, High Clamping Torque Rotary Table, URXH Series. Showcasing our Noah Series. 6-axis CNC Hobbing machines from Nimble Machine. High torque, high acceleration torque motors from Nimble Electric. Range of precision and industrial couplings and electro spindles from Mechatronics. We would be happy to host you. Visit us at IMTEX 2019 Hall number A1, stall number B101 from 24th to the 30th of January 2019. UCAM, your partner in productivity.